Hey, Kalam here. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add favicon to your blog or website. So first of all, you need to log in here. Then go to this setting icon. Then again click on favicon. You can see this is favicon. Just click on here. Yeah, this is option. Just choose a file, original favicon. Wow, it's already worked. So just click on save. Go to this website view blog. I need a few seconds for processing this data. I hope after few minutes these favicon are already set up on this here. Again show you, just go to setting icon, then go to favicon, then upload your favicon, then save. It's okay. So if you want to more videos type of, please comment below. If you have found this video helpful for you, make sure to like and subscribe the channel. See you again, take care, goodbye.